I'm back. First and foremost, let me start this video by saying thank you guys so much for all the emails, phone calls, and texts. I truly appreciate it. It touched me there. And now that that's said and out the way, let's get into the video. I know some of you guys have been thinking about moving to Katy, Texas, but you wanted to find a affordable community. Well, I think I have that answer for you as I'm in the beautiful new master plan community of Sunterra, and I truly think that this community has a bunch to offer you guys. So what we're going to do, stay tuned. I'm going to show you all the amenities, let you know about the schools, and of course, the beautiful home builders here. There are 23 home builders here in this beautiful area of Sunterra. 23. Plenty of floor plans to choose from. So I'm sure we'll find what's perfect for you and your family. So stay tuned. If this is your first time to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. I have a lot in store for you guys. And like I always say, welcome home. Okay, guys, let's talk about the amenities that's going to be brought to the beautiful neighborhood of Sunterra. And one of these amenities is driving everybody crazy, right? Everybody's excited for it. Sunterra is going to be bringing a crystal clear lagoon to the neighborhood, to the community for its residences. So you'll have access to that. Can you imagine just waking up on a regular Tuesday or Wednesday and just taking the time out to go put your feet in the white sand and have access to where you feel like you're at a resort? And the beautiful thing that I like about Sunterra is they really they really want people to feel like they have that resort living lifestyle. And not only are they bringing a crystal clear lagoon, they're also going to bring something that's called the retreat. And what that is going to be a swimming pool with the lazy river. It's going to be your dog parks for big dogs and little dogs. It's going to have your soccer fields. I mean, it's going to have your tennis courts. I mean, they're really just giving you the home away from home and just giving you the experience to enjoy when you need that break or when you want to have fun activities, take the kids out and just relax a little bit, right? Just take the time out to relax and enjoy yourself, just to feel like you're on vacation, but it's right up the street, right? And so those are something that you guys will be able to take advantage of. And that's the reason why this community is selling so fast. This is the #1 selling community in the Katy, Texas area, and you can see why. Because people are, they're taking advantage of getting in early, right? Getting in early before some of these things are built. That way, when they are built, the equity in your home is going to go sky high. Just think about some of these communities that already are built and have these wonderful amenities, and you can tell by the prices, right? So people are really getting in early. These are some beautiful homes. Like I told you before, it's 23. It has 23 different builders, but it has also been updated. There are now 29 different builders in the Sunterra community. They're going to build anywhere from 7,000 to 8,000 homes, right? And they're only built right now so far, I think it's about 850. So this community is thriving. Like I said, it's the fastest selling community in Katy, Texas. And so what we're going to talk about next is just some of the schools. So let's talk about schools. Let's talk about schools when it comes to the Sunterra community and being in the Katy area. The beautiful thing about not only being just in the Sunterra community, but the beautiful thing about being in Katy and Katy ISD is that Katy ISD was ranked #1 in Harris County when it comes to school districts. Most of most of Katy schools are rated A plus. They have an A rating, but of course, as a parent, I always want to tell you, do your own research, and things that you can kind of find information about schools on is on websites like niche.com, or you can go to greatschools.com and just get all the information that you need when it comes to the schools that are around your neighborhood or the schools that your child may go to. And so in this particular community, they are building an elementary school right in the community. Extremely convenient for you and your family. And it seems like Sunterra is really being modern, right? Trying to think of everything. Not only are they putting the elementary school right inside the neighborhood, they're going to put a high school. They're thinking about the sidewalks, so they have 12-foot wide sidewalks, just so you can be able to drive your motorized scooter or drive your golf cart to take your kids to school or whatever it is. So the Katy ISD area is great schools, and they do offer things. Me being a Katy resident, I do know they have things like swimming, of course, your football and your basketball, your baseball, your softball, but they also have things, like your orchestra as well. Tell me, how do I know? My daughter's in orchestra. So they have plenty of activities at these schools to kind of just keep your kids busy, but also, find out something that they may love and academically getting a great education as well. So that's some of the things that I like about just Katy ISD and the whole Katy School District, and just being in this community. And it's definitely a plus. And now it's time for the moment I think we've all been waiting for. I'm going to show you some of these homes I went in. These homes range anywhere from the 300,000, and the ones that I'm showing all the way up to 700,000. But like I said, there's 29 different builders here, and sometimes you may find homes in this community in the 280s. In the 280s, that's right. But those homes typically tend to go a little bit faster, of course. But you definitely have options from anywhere to the 300,000s all the way up to the 800,000s to find something that fits you and your family needs when it comes to the Sunterra community.